Space, the final frontier. No, I'm gonna get a copyright on that one. I ain't gonna finish that tune. YouTube Retro got back with another one, and on today's episode, man, somebody called Mulder and Scully. We got a next UFO on our hands. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button for your boy. You already know helps me on algorithms. Let's go to the turntable, man. I'm trying to dissect these like the aliens would. Alright, YouTube, we're back and we're taking a look at the Barkley Posite Max. And yo, I've been waiting to review this one, eh? Don't get it confused. I've been waiting to review. Anyways, let's take a look at this upper. I'm gonna say that this is a very shiny, alien, metallic Posite, pretty much in line with what we used to see around those times in like 2013 time. Yup. Apparently the US Congress just finished releasing a whole bunch of classified UFO files, and these shoes might have been in there somewhere because these things look like they're from outer space, fam. Oh yeah. Smooth finish. As we know from my prior foam posite videos, these foam posite are usually made from a mold of one piece. So this particular piece here runs all the way around and is stitched at the back of the shoe, and you know, it's basically a one-piece posite. So yeah, man. Somebody call NASA, yo, because there might be a UFO warning, close encounter of the fourth kind. These are crazy still. They're gonna cause some attention when you wear them, that's for sure. It has this kind of a ridged design. It gives it a very organic kind of feel to the posite, instead of having, you know, those sharp angles that we've seen on some of the other posites that they have going. Right away you see a gamma Nike swoosh. The nubuck has a splattered gamma print, and I really like that. It's very speckled. Looks like somebody threw paint at your shoe pretty much, or you know, it could also be taken as a galaxy print, and it does kind of have a starry look to it if you're gazing into the night sky or something. I don't know. You know, I gotta say, I'm a sucker for these gamma colorways, just like I am the Volt, so don't blame me because I love the gammas. But these, man, shoot, shine a light upon these, see if you don't, you know, hail down a helicopter or something. Silver, metallic midsole, and it's pretty decently hard. It feels like an EVA midsole. It's nothing too crazy. It's not Phylon or anything. Air unit with that same gamma speckle. I believe these paint speckles actually glow in the dark as well, along with the outsole. And you have a black ridged outsole here, very similar to the Charles Barkley CB line. Here you can see a couple of perforation holes, you know, give you a little bit of ventilation up top, and you have a speed lacing system. And this is one of my favorite lacing systems of all time, man, simply because you pull it once and it's pretty much tight. Really gives you a good solid fit. These joints are getting pretty hard to get nowadays, especially in good condition, because we all know how foam posites are, and if you scuff them, you're scuffed forever. So yeah, getting these in prime condition are getting a bit hard, so make sure you hunt them down if you can, man. It is what it is. Leading into the toe box, you have a black stitched Nike swoosh with that same gamma print overlay, and it's really cool, man. It's not raised or anything. It's pretty much a print that's on the shoe, but you know, once again with foam posites, you guys gotta watch the kick in the curb, man, because once these get scuffed, that's it. They're not coming back from that. 2013, they were still making those bangers, you know what I'm saying? Good, solid build quality, premium materials, you know what I'm saying? These are still here today and they're lasting and in good condition. Why can't shoes nowadays be made with the same vigor? Go back in time, Nike. Nubuck upper, as I said, leading into the toe box, you have this bungee system, and you have a gamma speckled lacing system, gamma on the eye stay section, and right here you have that 3D print that you see a lot on foam posites, and I really like that stuff, man. It has a really good feel. It's nice and airy. It's very lightweight, and it also helps to give a custom fit to these shoes that have those inner booties. Man, if you don't go up half a size on these foam posites, dog, you're gonna be sorry. Your toe's gonna be bleeding. Yeah, you're gonna suffer a little bit. It is what it is. I learned the hard way. This is one of those shoes I had to return and buy again because mans didn't know about going up half a size and all that when I was young. So, but anyways, you have the Charles Barkley brand here in gamma. He's given the Martin Pose CB for Charles Barkley. The interior of the shoe is gamma. I've already worn these, obviously these are a used pair of shoes. Gamma insole, and you know, it has that quarter, like kind of like that quarter booty. I don't want to say it's a full booty, but it's like a quarter booty, man. And you really do feel the fit and then the true form of the fit when you put your shoe on. You know, you have a basic textile inner, and you know, it's very breathable, lightweight, and pretty sturdy for the most part. These shoes are the predecessors to the Charles Barkley Max shoes, and you know, you can see the design similarities. It just is what it is. It's blatant. But these are the foam posit versions. So, you know, they was trying to foam posit everything back in early 2010-ish times. Foam posits are fire fab. Now on the back, you have air here on the pull tab, and it's also in gamma. Very cool detailing. On the back, you got Charles Barkley again with a patch in rubberized patch. Pretty cool, very sturdy as well. And you got some more perforation holes at the back. You got a hidden Nike symbol here at the top of the cuff of the shoe. You can see here where they stitched the posit together. As I said, it comes in one piece usually. Now the paint on these shoes has been known to come off after a while, but mine has actually done a good job of staying where it is, so I'm really happy about that. It's very plushy and it does have a lot of give to it, so it is very bouncy. You do have a little bit of tech in the shoe. Now as far as ball shoes, these are a bit clunky, a bit heavy, whatever, so I don't know if people are going to be playing with these on the ball court, but it is what it is. You can play with them on the mall court because, dog, everybody asks me about these shoes when I wear them. These are really cool, man. Now when it comes to sizing and fit for these posits, you really do want to go up half a size. I always suggest going up half a size on foam posits no matter what, because you know, I don't want my toe to get squeezed up. And foam posits, yeah, they wear in, but they don't stretch very much. But anyways, the coolest part about this shoe is definitely the outsole. Now here, if you know Charles Barkley, his whole thing is I'm not a role model. So here you see I'm not a role, right? And then model on the other shoe. So yeah, Charles Barkley ain't the best role model, I'll admit that, but you know what? He's a basketball player, so it doesn't matter what you say, Charles, you're a role model. And these shoes are you know, they're iconic to say the least. Now these outsoles do glow in the dark. I'm gonna charge them up for you guys so you can see what they look like. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes, man. These are super cool. The detailing is basically a foam posit version of the Nike CB Charles Barkley line, and you know, it's kind of a hybrid of a posit shoe, and some of the elements from other Charles Barkley shoes are slapped onto here. You know, I do like the way these fit when these are on foot. They do have a very good one-to-one fit on them. It's that time of year, you know what I mean? It's one of those things where these shoes are just really good for the winter time. As I said, speed lacing system with the bungee cords really helps to keep the lockdown good on these shoes. Now they are a bit heavier than your normal typical shoe because they are foam posits, but I mean, it is what it is. You gotta pay to play. Now let me know what you guys think of the styling of these shoes. Can you rock with the gamma and the silver? Are these too crazy, or like, you know, are these one of these, it's an alien shoe and you just can't get your eyes, it's too much of an eyesore? Captain's log. I found a strange pair of shoes on a deserted island planet full of nothing. Me personally, I love these, man. You put these with some black jeans, you know, you mix the silver metallic space alien invader with some of the galaxy print here, and you know, you got a glow in the dark outsole and gamma with not a role model, man. You got something to look at on these shoes. Box reads Barkley Posite Max 10.5 metallic silver gamma blue, made in China. You have a brown cardboard Nike box with some hidden prints here, and really what it says is, it says like Nike SB, and it has, you know, Nike Air SC. There's a bunch of weird markings on this box, but for the most part, it's a Nike sportswear box, which is really strange. Usually the posits and the Barkley posits come in a black box, so really awkward box for this pair. Let me know what you guys think of the Barkley Posite Max in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think, because these are fire, fam, man. You know, it's getting to fall time, so it's okay to wear more posits and all of these hot, bloody shoes that I couldn't wear in the summertime because the sun was too hot, and you know what I mean? So now it's foam posit time, it's leathers time. You know what you guys think of these in the comment section below, because you know, I'm just and pray to God I don't get abducted by Area 51 mandem. Hit that like and subscribe button in the mouth. You already know, help me on the algorithms. I'll be back. It's been a slow couple of weeks, man. Been training, choking mans out and all that. But anyways, we're back with more reviews, so hit me up. We're about to get to that on foot so you guys can see what these look like before you spend your hard-earned bread. Let's get to that on foot, man. Yeah. Perfect.